How to share link of video in Google Drive. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can share the link of videos in Google Drive, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you've uploaded a video to your Google Drive and that you want to share the link with others, it is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and open up the Google Drive application or from your browser. Now once you've done that, you want to simply locate the photo or the video that you might have uploaded. Now in this case, it is this video over here in my case. Now what do I do in order to share this video? I just need to tap the three dots next to it. Here you'll find the option called copy link. I just need to tap the copy link option here. Once I tap on copy link, it'll be copied to clipboard. Now all I need to do is just send this link to anybody over here. It could be any people. I can just go ahead and then basically send the link, hit the send button, and then when I tap on the link next time, I'll be able to successfully go ahead and view that specific video, and even the people who have access to this will be able to view the video. This is simply how you can share the link of video in Google Drive. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.